Here are my top 5 REITs where I personally invest and where many Filipinos are also putting their money. Quick disclaimer lang. These are the REITs in my actual portfolio and this is based on my personal research and observation of the market. This is not financial advice. First, A-REIT. This REIT is owned by Ayala Land, one of the biggest real estate developers in the Philippines. Their portfolio includes premium offices, malls, hotels, and industrial properties, mostly in Makati, Cebu, and other prime locations. Dividend yield is around 6 to 7% annually, and they have a strong history of increasing dividends since their IPO in 2020. Second, we have GREET. This one is unique because it focuses on renewable energy properties, specifically land lease to solar power plants across the Philippines. It's backed by Citicore Renewable Energy and it usually gives around 6 to 7% dividend yield. Third, we have MREIT. This REIT is sponsored by MegaWorld, owned by Andrew Tan. Their properties are mostly grade A office buildings inside MegaWorld townships like Eastwood and McKinley Hill. Dividend yield is usually around 7% and they distribute almost all of their income as dividends. Fourth is RCR or RL Commercial REIT. This is backed by Robinson's Land from the Gokongwei Group. They own office buildings and commercial properties across Metro Manila and key cities like Cebu and Davao, and the yield is usually around 6 to 7%. And lastly, Shang or Shang Properties. This one is known for luxury developments like Shangri-La Plaza, the Rise Makati, and other high-end properties. Many investors like it because of its premium real estate exposure. So as you can see, when you invest in the REITs, you're actually owning small pieces of big income generating properties. In my next video, I'll show you how and where you can actually buy REITs here in the Philippines.